Episode, my first episode actually, of Melanesia. We're going to see if we can come up right here. Whoa, 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 whoa. There's a glitch right now. I swear I killed him. Oh, yeah, I killed him. Oh, shit. Sorry about my language. Bullshit. He's good. He's just a glitch. Piece of shit. Okay. This doesn't look like we're going to be able to be winning, but we'll see. Anyways, Melanesia is not about winning. Cool. That son of a bitch is very good. 5. Sure, I killed this son of an asshole. He's dead. Okay, we're back. I think we can win this. Oh, 22 more. Okay, we're going there. Whoa. Okay, we're 12-12. I thought he clawed his asshole. Okay, 14. Bad. Come back and catch him up. kill him, isn't it? Your mother. Yeah, Marshall. Put up Marshall. Okay, we never win this one, but at least I kill him. Get revenge. Alright now. Okay, we kill him. Lucky try. Still not gonna win though. Okay, never win. We'll still try. Came second, but we're gonna play another game. Blue win, yeah, lose. Oh, Dogs lose any XPs. Okay. Do we have him on our side? Good. Black Ops. Have a good ban on our side. Let's see if we can win this one. You modded. Wait for it. Gonna stay right here. Yes. Okay. Not again. Who have these stupid hacks after all? Bullshit. Okay, we're in the lead right now. Cool. I even needed any work. Okay, I think the game is glitched again. So I gotta end it right here. Thank you for watching, guys, and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.